Cover a fried egg with bread and make the easiest and most delicious sandwich ever. For our recipe, we're gonna need 2 slices of bread. Carefully spread some butter on both of them. In a pan, add some butter and spread it. Then add 1 egg and cover it with 1 slice of bread. Fry the egg, then flip the bread, and let's start assembling our sandwich. Add 1 slice of ham, 2 slices of mozzarella cheese, ketchup, and finally add the other slice of bread. Flip the sandwich again to give it a nice golden shade. Take a moment to tell me in the comments where you're watching us from, so that I can send you a huge hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. And our sandwich is ready to be served. Now let's prepare it in another way. Use your creativity. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and share it with your friends. This will help us a lot. Season the egg with 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, and ketchup. Add ham, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and the other slice of bread. Grill both sides. And you guys, this recipe is super delicious and easy to prepare. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And our recipe is done. You just need to serve it and enjoy it. I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.